friends. Teacher Shelby here with many ways to say bye, goodbye, adiós. Ready? Bye, adiós, bye, bye bye, adiós, adiós, bye bye. See you. Hasta la vista. See you. See you. See you soon. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Pronto. Soon. See you soon. See you next time. Hasta la próxima. See you next time. See you next time. See you later. Hasta luego. See you later. See you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Hablamos luego. Talk to you later. I'm out. Me voy. I'm out. I'm out. I'm off. Me voy. I'm off. I'm off. Take care. Cuídate. Take care. Take care. Gotta go. Gotta go. This is informal. Es informal. I gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Me tengo que ir. Gotta go. Bye for now. Adiós por ahora. Bye for now. Ahora, now. Bye for now. Keep in touch. Estamos en contacto. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Take it easy. Oh, this is informal. Take it easy. Tomátelo con calma. No sé, lo siento. Take it easy. Take it easy. Con calma. Easy. Take it easy. Good night. Buenas noches, but good night. Good night. It's not a greeting. No es un saludo en inglés. No, no. Good night es para despedirse. Yeah? It's to say goodbye. Adiós. Bye. Good night. A tip, un consejo. Okay. Have a good day. Que tengas un buen día. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good one. One, un día. Have a good one. Que tengas un buen día. Have a good one. All right, very good. Bye. See you later. Adiós.